Here is how to troubleshoot a link not working on TikTok. So first we're going to open up the TikTok app, and then right here, from here, you're going to click on the bottom right on your profile, then click on edit profile. Then from there, under bio, you should see a link button, and you can press on that to add links. So if that's not there, I want you to go to your App Store or Google Play Store and search up TikTok. Now what this will do, and make sure you have the full version of TikTok, you have all the updates installed because those could be added on later. Now, once that's done, if you still don't see it, it could be an issue. You might not have like 1,000 followers and stuff like that. So from here, you're going to go to settings, top right hand corner, click on settings and privacy. And then from here, you want to click on support. And then there's a help, safety, or privacy center. So click on the help center. And you can follow all these steps to help you. Or if you want, you can go back. Then click on report a problem. And then search up the problem you're having with the links. And you can press on the bottom, you press chat with us, and you will chat with an associate to help you solve the problem.